morning TV fam. And guess what? Ito na yung pinakakaantay-antay natin. Siguro you've seen our vlog regarding our travel to Cebu. This time around, international flight naman ang ating aatupagin. So today, we are going to
Japan.
See you in Japan. Boarding time namin is 8:45 in the morning. Tama ba? Currently, ang time natin is at 6:30 umaga. 6:46. Aga-aga natin. So, bisita muna tayo dito sa Little Flower Cafe. Tingin tayo ng mga croissants, breads.
座席の変更をご希望される場合は、直ちに客室乗務員までお知らせください。
Way to Japan. Arigato.
Hindi ko pa na-practice yung Japanese ko eh.
Ba't ano mong alam ang Japanese?
Konnichiwa. Ang sabi, ang flight time natin is 3 hours and 10 minutes. So we'll be there earlier. It's currently, what time?
8:54.
8:54 in the morning. Medyo maaga-aga tayo. So maaga tayo darating. Plus 3 hours, right? So ganun na ang gagawin natin. We'll be arriving how early?
If we leave at 9:30, we'll be there 2:15. Kasi 1 hour difference.
A 1 hour difference? Okay. So samahan nyo kami as we... Ano to? First time namin to going to Japan. And hopefully, ma-enjoy nyo at saka ma-enjoy din namin tong trip na to. Meron tayo nakaset na schedule for today and sana chill lang muna at saka mamaya magkakaroon tayo ng anong tawag doon? Cruise?
Dotonbori River Cruise.
Dotonbori River Cruise. Kung i-compare ko yung legroom nitong seat namin versus Cebu Pacific, mas maluwag yung Cebu Pacific. Pakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kalapit siya sa Nice. Ayan kung makikita nyo yung legroom niya compared doon sa legroom namin sa Cebu Pacific, it's really much, I guess, closer sa Nice. So kung malaki kang tao, I wouldn't advise, no?
Make your doors to arm.
Anyway, close na nila yung doors.
Doors to arm, then cross-check.
Talagang aalog-alog kami dito sa aeroplano. So yeah, we're heading out. We're gonna arrive early, which is good. Masulit natin yung araw natin. Magsisimula na tayong gumala early on. Ngayon lang namin na-realize, mayroon pala siyang kasamang lunch. Domo. So pareho kami ng in-order ni Joyce. This is pork. Yeah? Ayan, pork. Kita niyo ba yun? Yan. So you have rice, pork, and veggie. Tapos meron din kasamang fruits, pineapple. Ano to? Is this kimchi?
Fish.
Oh, fish. And then some salad. Thank you. We're in Japan, finally. KTV fam, welcome to Japan. Guys, so nakalabas na tayo ng airport and we're about to ride the train going to
Osaka.
Osaka.
Namba pala, Namba. Nasa Osaka.
And the train na kukunin natin is Kansai?
Yung Nankai Rapid. Rapid. Pero
Nankai Rapid. Okay.
Basta, gets nyo na yun. I can't know the official name. Was it Nankai?
But yeah, we are here officially in Japan. And sabi nga ni Joyce, the weather is giving. Giving what?
Japan.
Yo. Malamig-lamig siya. It's like Vancouver weather. And ang kagandahan dito is may araw, which is good. Yun ang hinahanap natin. Maaraw na malamig. Ito bali yung mga pagbubok ng tickets for the train. Daming tao.
Where's the train station? We're ready. We're in Nankai Line.
Okay. Antay lang natin yung another car pagdating ng car.
So tayo sa 2:35.
2:35. That one. So doon kami sa 2:35 time slot. Very 40? Okay.
We will soon make a brief stop at Italy Tunnel. Station from 10:30. Please change trains here for Wakayamachi.
Finally, nakalabas tayo. Kasi yung ticket pala namin, pag QR code, doon ka dapat hanapin mo yung QR code lane. Yung ibang mga lane na nakikita mo doon is yung parang may payment card. So, yun pala, pagka babaan nyo ng train, make sure nyo na mahanap nyo kung saan yung lane na may QR. Yung app na ginagamit mo is what?
Google Maps.
Google
Kaya
Maps.
Kasi ano siya
Tignan mo yung Google Maps app, so merong arrow talaga. So, yan yung
Naka-live
dapat.
view ako.
Oh, that's good. That will really help where to go. Burger King. Yes. Punong-puno na naman tayo ng excitement kasi first time eh. Sarap ng mga first time. Lalo na ako kasama mo is yung travel buddy mo. Ayan. Na napakagaling mag-navigate. Parang nakakagutom ah. Dami dinadaan ng pagkain. Parang sarap kumain. Oh, dito yung mga ano to? Yung mga carrier, mobile carrier, Y Mobile. Parang logo ng Yahoo, no? Y. Sky O.
Grabe, terminal station pa lang pa, parang ganda na.
Oo nga, true. Tapos ang breezy ng hangin. Ay, breezy ng hangin. Ang breezy nung station.
Ha? Bakit tayo pinapapunta dito? Ayun na tayo.
Nakikita nyo yung galaw ng buhok natin. Sobrang lamig. Sobrang mahangin. Ground station ng Japan. Nakita nyo na ba yung mga bikes? This is Japan.
cross.
Cross going
Let's see.
which side?
Here. Dun.
Okay. Ano masasabi mo? First time in Japan.
Super saya. Nakakaligaw.
And nakikita naman sa'yo, na-excite ka eh.
Buti na lang. And then, nakikita ka na kung gaano tayo ka-stress mong kasama yung kids.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Nagtuturuan na tayo. Pero at least, pag na-experience natin to,
Nang one.
next time, mas madali
Gets
na.
na natin.
Alam na. So, ito yung parang dry run natin. Next time, pwede na isama siguro yung mga bata. Ilang minutes going doon sa
7-minute walk.
7-minute walk from the station? Because this building here, yun yung station natin. Alam mo kung tutuusin yung itsura niya, parang Pilipinas din eh. Pero sana, walang mga side street vendor. Tapos, malamig. Yun lang. Yun yung difference. Pero it's the same. And lahat na tayo. Ayan, sa mga gilid-gilid pa lang, meron na tayo nakikita ng mga, tawag doon? Hindi,
Gyoza.
yung mga, tawag doon sa mga restaurant na yun, yung maliliit lang.
Hole in the wall.
Hole in the wall, that's the one. That's the term that I was looking for. Hole in the wall. Yan. Parang buhay na buhay ang gabi natin mamaya dito Merong Bistro Olive.
Ay, hindi ma'am, may nagkakain tayo dun sa reservation.
Oh, pero on the way
5
pala.
o'clock na. Ano siya? 3:30.
Pwede na tayo pumunta doon.
Ha?
Pwede na tayo pumunta
Ito
doon. Nikot lang tayo.
Nandito daw. Toward. Ha? Ito naman joke.
Where?
Bakit niya ako pinapunta dito?
Baka that alley. Di ba
Okay.
yung alley na yun?
Ayun,
Ba-
sabi niya dito.
This side?
Yeah?
Sundan natin si Google. Iba ang feels ng Japan. Gusto nyo ba ng walking vlog? Ito. Ito rin yung walking vlog. Kaya nga eh. Ilang minutes pa? Like, doesn't say? Gusto mo mag-bike dito? Parang ang saya mag-bike.
Ayaw. Ayaw?
Sana ma-estimate natin kung gaano pa kalayo. Tatawid tayo siguro dito. Ganun ba yun?
Sabi, right.
So hindi tayo tawid.
Hindi.
So magko-cross tayo. We made it, guys. We finally made it. Dito tayo naka-check-in. Okay. In fairness, marami yatang dito magche-check-in. Ooh, love the warm air. Check in tayo.
Please, no space.
Okay.
No space. So, ang check-in pala nila, may parang machine na kailangan gamitin.
Today,
Reservation
is
number.
after 4 p.m., okay?
After 4 p.m.
After 4 p.m.?
Please.
Room number 1120.
11:20? So, yun ang room number natin. 1120. So, magugulat kayo. Ito na yung parang mga dental kit na kailangan mo na dadalhin mo sa room. Yeah, of course. Give it to me. Anything that you need. What else? So, just pick. Oh, I need a comb.
I got already.
Oh, you have?
Can you open one of the bags?
Sure. Yung mga stuff mo, no? Ilalagay mo na lang sa luggage. All the things that you need. You can just put it in.
Okay, I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah.
Okay. So officially 4 p.m. pa yung check-in natin. And yung early check-in available lang daw para sa mga members.
Check-out time is 10 a.m.
Sakto 3:49 na yung oras natin ngayon. So konting antay na lang. Pag-aantay, mag-check-in na tayo.
Mamaya na lang.
Maya na, yeah. May tax kami binayaran, 200 yen. Yeah.
Ito, convert na. Ayan.
$2. 2 Canadian dollars. Tapos, meron sila ditong machine kung kailangan mo ng cash. Pwede ka magpa-exchange. Tapos, meron din silang weighing scale para naman doon sa luggage mo. Para ma-check mo kung overweight yung iyong luggage. Pero nagdala kami ng weight talaga ng luggage namin. So, lagi na yung bit-bit yun pag travel kami, lalo na pag international. Ano naman yan?
Hotel info.
Hotel info.
Same day baggage delivery service at the airport, blah blah blah.
Okay.
Important to check in guests. Free Wi-Fi. You can check in the guest Wi-Fi.
So, again, nag-check-in kami dito sa Tokyo Inn. Osaka Namba? Or Namba Osaka? Osaka Namba.
Namba, Osaka.
Namba Osaka.
Laundry is 300 yen per use. So, $3 per use.
Okay.
Detergentless. Huh? Walang detergent.
So, it's water? Water lang?
Baka na built-in.
Baka.
Lockers for guests only. Yan yung lockers.
Or razor. Did you get one? Sige. If ever, bill na lang tayo. Kasi naghahanap din ako. Kasi baka yung razor nila yung mapurol.
Vending machine, water server, microwave and ice maker available in the basement.
Basement? May basement pa pala to. Oh, tapos nandun yung portable wifi nila.
Yeah.
440 yen and then 300 yen. Depende kung malamang ilang gig yan, no?
Per day ata yun.
Is that per day? Ah,
You want
interesting.
one?
No, I don't yet.
Items for rent.
Ano?
Hair dryer.
Excited. Excited na.
You can check the congestion status of the breakfast venue on the TV. Wow! Like,
May CCTV para makita mo kung gano'n na kadaming tao. Anong oras ba yung nila,
yung
breakfast?
laundry status mo, 6:30 to
6:30 in the morning up to 9 a.m. ang breakfast. So,
9. Dito, B1F and B2F. Basement.
basement.
Saan yung pababa ng basement?
Elevator, malamang. How long ba yung walk going to that place? So, meron kaming binook na restaurant.
Oo. Huwag niyang tanong ko sa ano. Maya sabihin ko kasi parang ang hirap, hindi siya super English.
Yeah. Pero supposedly doon kami mag-dinner. Yun yung parang pinaka-first itinerary natin. Apart doon sa pagkuha ng mask. Anyway, marami kayo kasabay na mag-check-in dito.
So, lahat standard nila 4 p.m.
It looks like it. Tapos meron din silang yung mismong hotel, meron silang wifi. So, mag-connect na tayo sa wifi para hindi tayo parating gumagamit ng data. Ayan, nakakonect na tayo sa wifi. And then yung walk natin is another what? 6 minutes. So, parang yung walk natin from the train station going here.
That kind of felt long though. Yung walk na.
Kasi parang zinigzag tayo kung papunta. Pero very helpful yung live app na yun. Merong
B6
mga
yung train station na malapit sa
may mga arrow kung saan ka pupunta kahit ali. Pero kung sa gabi yun, siguro matatakot ka maglakad sa mga ganong kaliliit na alley. Yung nadaanan natin kanina. Tapos meron ding train station na malapit dito. Pero yung train station na yon, kailangan natin i-check kung connected ba doon sa terminal. Kasi parang kung gagamitin natin yung luggage, i-haul natin, parang hindi siya ganun ka friendly sa luggage. Yung wheel ng luggage, nafe-feel ko yung yung roughness niya each time na niro-roll mo yung luggage doon sa road. Yung cruise din today, di ba?
after ng dinner.
What time is that?
7.
Another 7-minute walk from the restaurant?
No, 7 o'clock is the cruise.
Okay.
The walk is 2 minutes from the restaurant to the...
Okay. Tapos nung nag-check-in kami kanina, doon sa machine, eto, nire-release na lang yung ID card. Dalawa yung parating ini-issue each time. 6 minutes from... Wow, talagang lakaran na to. 6 minutes ang 6 minutes ang labanan ng paglalakad. So, anong oras na? Oh, 4 o'clock na. Checking na tayo.
Nag-alarm na yung ano.
Yeah.
Hotel ba yun?
Yung elevator is good for 4 people plus their luggage. Yun na yun.
Tatlo naman.
Cute ang
Saka
size.
mabilis
Yeah. Malamang magtatagal yan kung mabagal. So, dapat talaga mabilis. Ayan. Tingnan natin yung hallway. Oh, that's good. Ito na ba kagad yung room natin?
Ready ka na.
Yeah. Alright.
OMG.
Welcome to Japan. Yun.
natin.
That's not...
Saan ako magne-nest?
Huwag ka na mag-nest.
On my aircon na yun.
Okay. I don't know how to open it. But...
Ito aircon.
Oh, yun pala eh.
Ito, malaki.
Yay, this is our room. So, pagpasok nyo, no? This is the door.
Pagpasok. Elevator.
Yeah. Pagpasok nyo, this is the washroom. Bukas natin, wala bang ilaw? Huh? Where's the lights? Yun naman pala. Kailangan nung card. So, pagpasok nyo yung card. Boom. Yun. Let there be light. And then, ito yung washroom. Pagpasok nyo, this is the door. Meron kang hook. Oh, cute. Japanese, yung toilet nila, smart toilet. You have a bathtub. And then rain shower. Makikita nyo, dyan sa taas. And then you can also use this. That's it. Simple lang ang mga rooms sa hotel sa Japan. And then, kanina nga, nung una kong pinakita sa inyo, ito na yung room namin. So, you have a double size ng bed. You have a desk there. And then, ito na yung parang daanan nyo. And then, you have your ref, small ref doon. O, diba? Yan na ang ating room tour dito sa ating napiling hotel sa Namba. So, nakuha na ba natin yung kung saan tayo pupunta?
Pinusunod ko lang yung live view.
Hindi, pero anong name? Mahirap pronounce pa rin? Matsuyaka, ano siya, parang, sabihin mo lang kung anong putahe.
Yakiniku.
Yakiniku, ang restaurant na pupuntahan natin.
Matsuzaka pala.
Ito ba yung highly rated?
Oo. Iyan mo na lang yung link.
Tingnan nyo lang yan sa description box.
Kung natuwa kami, pero kung hindi.
I-review pa rin natin, kasama siya sa review. So, yan. Ang busy ang streets dito sa Japan.
Okay, we go here naman.
Wow, daming tao. Dumaan na tayo sa Lawson, hindi ka pa umuwi.
Baka meron dito.
Talagang gusto mo pa talaga sa madaming tao.
Dito sa Daiso.
Hanap muna tayo ng mask. Ito, sa Daiso daw. Let's take a look.
A few moments later.
So, bumili na kami ng mask kasi sobrang crowded dun sa loob. Mabuti nang safe tayo. Pero since nasa labas tayo, pag nasa labas tayo, pwede siguro tanggalin yung mask. No?
Sa-train lang.
Train or sa mga crowded places. Better be safe than sorry. Lalo na at gusto nating masulit yung bakasyon natin. So, how far are we?
20 meters.
Straight?
Yeah.
Sa dami ng choices mo na pwedeng kainan, talagang which one?
I think that one.
Okay, dito tayo guys. Matsusa Kagyu Yakiniku. Hirap i-pronounce. Oh, that's our menu. Naka-preset na yung order natin dito, di ba?
Mamimili ka pa. Anong set?
Okay.
Anong gusto mo? Beef special course? Beef premium?
Parang namili na tayo ng nasa $100, di ba?
Ito yung beef special. Or ito pala yung gusto mo ata o baka sa plato. $80.
Okay. So, ano na tayo? Let's
They're still
choose
closed.
inside. 12 more minutes. Ikot muna tayo. Kahit dito lang sa tapat eh. Parang gusto mong tumikim eh. Ayan oh. Look at this. This one too. Shomai na skewers. That's new. Simplified chart. They also serve hamburger, Kobe beef, Ikinari steak. So ito tayo guys, dyan tayo pupunta to eat our dinner. So sa loob, kailangan mong i-remove yung shoes.
For you, do you have reservation? Yes. What is your name?
Joyce?
Is it special occasion for you?
No, it's just our first time
Just
in Japan.
It's just a
Yeah, first time, yeah.
Yeah. You can eat everything.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. That's okay. Please take off your shoes.
Okay.
次2番入ります。
Alright.
いらっしゃいませ。いらっしゃいませ。
Okay, thank you.
So we could still order
Sunken.
Ito na naman yung song ni Tita June. Hinahunt tayo.
Tita June, this is the thong that you're looking for.
So you can keep your may cover para hindi mga boy jackets.
Oh,
Can you do mine?
yeah.
Okay. So meron siyang message.
Ano nakalagay? Nagpa-reserve kasi kami, di naman. Meron silang
Special notes.
special notes. Personal touch. So yung jacket, tatanggalin natin para hindi mga more.
Ito rin kaya siya.
Ayan.
Okay.
Pero yung damit natin, mga ngamoy ito.
Okay na, kasi ulitin mo tong jacket eh. Yung damit hindi.
Binigyan tayo ng
Hot na.
hot towel.
Okay, let's order.
That's refreshing.
Okay, here. We were thinking 5 kinds.
5 kinds?
Short plate.
Okay.
Yeah, 5 kinds of parang meat.
Okay.
Loin. There's 2 kinds of today's Matsusaka beef. Tsaka sukiyaki sa. Do you want something like galbi?
Yeah, galbi. Siyempre, hinahanap namin yung kinain namin sa Cebu, di ba?
Pero Korean kasi yun eh. Baka
Yeah,
short,
pero
di ba
it's at
short
least-
rib yun? May buto.
Masabi.
Short rib yung
So, ano ba yung may wagyu da? May wagyu ba dyan?
meron, pero wala na sa 8 hours.
In the premium course, we use the marble beef.
Okay. Okay.
The lean, which is more tender lean, the marble is richer flavor.
Oh, okay.
So this is the most popular.
Yeah.
So this tree is only meat platter.
Just
5
meat.
kind of meat cuts, 6 kind of meat cuts, 8 kind of meat cuts.
There's
But
no
the soup-
rice here?
No rice, no side dishes.
Okay,
But
okay.
Sukiyaki included.
Okay.
Sukiyaki.
What type of meat does it?
Meat is our chef decided. She choose from here. Every day is different.
Oh, okay,
Different
okay.
meat cuts.
So it's more
Lean and
classic.
marble on this.
Okay, okay.
Got it.
But the
Okay.
sukiyaki, all these we use the lean beef. Only in this course we use the marble beef for the sukiyaki.
Okay.
What's the difference?
What does the sushi look like?
Yeah, this one.
Okay.
Sushi we cook for you. It's
Okay.
not raw.
Okay, okay, good.
So this sushi, this sukiyaki, and this is our signature galu rice.
Okay.
All these included in the cost. This
Okay.
galus we highly recommend. 1/7 generous enough to share on 3%.
Okay.
But if you're not interested about the side dishes, you want more meat, we recommend here.
Okay.
But you can order the side dish separately a la carte.
Okay. What's
Oh.
today's dessert for the
This is
sets.
maybe ice cream.
ice cream?
What flavor are they? is there
Maybe
special?
later we chef for you.
Oh,
Maybe
okay.
lemon, yuzu.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
We have sake,
Mm-hmm.
3 type of sake, like trine, smooth,
Okay.
and juice.
Oh, there's fruit sake.
And again, wine and soft drink. In the soft drink, we recommend this too. 25.
Okay, ginger needs to cider. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Is that it?
Okay. Do you want to just get this one? So you have rice and dessert. Ito yung total niya, $13,200, so $130 versus $110. $88.
Kasi gusto ko lang sana yung the best yung kunin natin para yung masasarapan tayo. Hindi parang, ay sayang.
Eh kung gusto mo, ito yun. Marble. That's where like... But we can always eat tomorrow if you wanna or kung gusto mo. Kasi pagkatapos nito mag-cruise tayo eh. Wala tayong, after ng cruise, uwi na tayo sa hotel. Kasi nga maaga tayo bukas.
Okay.
So ito na lang.
We'll get this set. Okay,
So,
for different
one-
versions.
Ayan, it comes with kimchi and salad for starters. Thank you.
Like wasabi, we have some wasabi over there.
Okay.
This was.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Oh my god. It's like melting your mouth.
Baby, ooh, look at that meat. That browning is good. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Sincere thanks to the chef. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine.